right, Katie and John here with a long way home. We had a semi-productive day today. We ended up starting the day going to Cabela's. We got some snake-proof, waterproof boots.
We got some muck boots.
We love them. We're trying to break them in. They're super comfortable.
They're like slippers.
Yeah, I think mine was She brand.
Something.
I don't know. But anyways, they were great. And they were $40 off the original price. That was a good surprise.
Thank you, Cabela's.
So after that, we had an awesome lunch and then decided that we were going to go buy a generator for the property so we could get our trailer out there and hopefully run the well and have some AC and maybe stay the night before we actually get official power out there. So this is the generator that we got today.
We have a Champion 5300 starting watt generator. Running wattage is about 4,250 watts is what it says. It's got like a 7-hour lifespan. As far as per tank of gas, if you're running like all your equipment, we can power our 30 amp generator and the 30 amp well circuit off of this little generator. And yeah, let's show you this. So here's the generator. I'm gonna do a proper unboxing. I've never owned one before. As an electrician, I've installed transfer switches and all the things for all my customers, but I've never actually owned one. So we're gonna put it together today and see what all it's gonna take. It looks pretty easy. Not really many tools needed, you know, some pliers, stuff like that, but no like power tools or anything crazy. The wheels have little pins and sleeves right here. Which side is the wheels? So it's just the pin, and then it comes with these little cotter pins, which we'll also use. So it just slides on in. Got to get the cotter pin. This is called a cotter pin for all you young guys whose daddy never really taught you anything like rough and tumble. This is a cotter pin. This goes in here and locks her into place. Do the same thing on the other side. Should be pretty self-explanatory. Cotter pin. So that it secures it. Boom. Wheels are done. Then we have our little feet. Keeps it up off the dirt and the ground, so it's not just sitting there, sitting in its own, you know, filth and mess. Little feet go on. These little holes that they have generously provided. Just set it on, slide it through, and then put the nut on the other side of the bolt. Here you'll need pliers and stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and hand twist them for now and get them prepared.
So in Georgia, it is about a little after 8 and it's got a nice breeze today. So we're enjoying being outside putting this together.
Still like 92 degrees. All right, so now that all of our little feet are just hand tight, you know, to save you all the time, just gonna come here now and just lock these little guys down. Nice and easy. You don't wanna do it too tight. You don't wanna strip them, but you just hold one side, lock down the other. It doesn't have to hold up a house or nothing. Just do it right. You just tighten as you go. It's pretty easy. You can pretty much put this whole thing together in, I don't know, 5 minutes once you figure out how the wheels work. But once that's done, it's pretty easy. Let's go on. That's ready. The last step is just the handle assembly. Without reading any instructions like most guys do, I'm just going to figure out which way this goes on and hope it's right. Maybe it goes on this way. Oh, is it this way? Aha, it is this way. So then you have to put a little cotter pin in so it doesn't slide out. Unless it smacks you in the face. But then yeah. You roll it around, you move it around, and when you're done, boom. But some other cool stuff. So this is a dual fuel generator, so it's gasoline or propane. Now, with using gasoline, you will have more power output, so you can run stronger, longer off of gasoline. Propane, it's less power. It says it on the box somewhere. Oh, here. So on gasoline, 5,300 starting watts, 4,250 running watts. However, on propane, it's 4,780 starting watts and 3,825 running watts. Still way more than we need to pull power for a 30 amp camper, and just run all the stuff we want to. TV, refrigerator, AC is on full blast all day long. But yeah, this is more than powerful for what we need, but I wanted to make sure we had more, not less. I'd rather go ahead and do it right the first time. Dual fuel, so either gasoline or propane. Comes with these cool little safety caps. I'll read in the book what that's all about. It comes with its own oil so that we don't mess it up. Also, as a point of reference, you can take a picture of this in the future, save it into a file, and you'll always know the kind of oil it needs. Probably also says it on the generator somewhere. I just haven't quite looked yet. 5,300 watt portable generator to power the camper, to power the well. We already have septic in place. So with all that being done, it's basically move-in ready because we love our camper enough already that we can live in it. But yeah, it's one more small step on the way to getting over the next big hurdles. This is actually a pretty large step for us. I didn't think about it at first. First, it was just, okay, we need it for the camper. But then when I realized, holy crap, we can also power the well that's already there because it's already wired. I just have to put a plug only into that, or just feed the well to the existing trailer that's there that already has a breaker panel. It's a little single wide trailer. It's gonna have to be gutted and fully redone, but there is a breaker panel in place. So could also power this to power the well pump off of the trailer power, go ahead and temp all that stuff in. Thank God I'm an electrician.
Yep.
And then yeah, once that's all set and ready, then we have power day one, water day one. Septic tank is being inspected by a buddy of ours, super cool. He's going to use it to like train his like younger guys on the septic and well at the same time. Super awesome. I'll give him a shout out later on. It's one more step towards taking the long way home, and me and the wife couldn't be happier. And
we're happy that you guys are a part of the journey.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching.